I'm thrilled to announce that I am now offering exclusive one-on-one coaching services tailored to your unique needs. I'm also offering group coaching services to help you maximize your time, effort, and energy professionally. For more information, go on down to pmanonymous.com and check out the plethora of services offered: Agile and Scrum coaching, Scrum Master coaching, leadership coaching, project management coaching, PMP, RMP, SP, CAPM, PSM, various certifications will be coached. With my extensive experience and expertise in these domains, I am committed to help you gain a competitive advantage and a competitive edge towards remarkable results and your definite chief aim. So whether you're a beginner seeking a solid foundation or seasoned professional aiming to enhance your skills, my coaching sessions are designed to propel you further ahead in your career journey. I have a diverse array of clientele, including the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Army, the Army Corps of Engineers, NASA, Department of Transport, Department of Commerce, the FBI, and several other private clients. These partnerships have allowed me to refine and fine-tune my coaching methodologies to ensure that you receive top-notch guidance and actionable insights. There's often a confusion between coaching, mentoring, and training. And I want to demystify that real quick for you. A major difference between coaching and mentoring is that a mentor tells you what to do based on their experience, but a coach will bring out a high premium answer from deep within you, and that will lead to an even more profound result for you. So what are you waiting for? Go on down to pmanonymous.com, sign up for a session with me, or if you've got questions, send them to support@praizion.com. If you need group training or coaching, no problem. Just let me know what you need and I will let you know the available options. Thank you, and I wish you all the best in your career. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.